Hey everyone, do you believe it's October already? Well, it is, and boy, did this year fly. And I bet you have some great memories you want to hold on to. Well, today I'm going to share with you how to make a project that helps you to hold on to those memories. I'm going to show you how you can take a calendar like this and take a beautiful picture from this calendar and upcycle some of this packing paper and also a tray from the Dollar Tree and create a beautiful door hanging like you see here. So stick with me and let's make some time fly and create some great memories today. Once you have the picture applied, now we apply the ribbon. Okay, so now I'm taking this ribbon that I had and I'm just cutting it into 4.5-inch pieces with this nice cutter that I had. I'm taking the 4.5-inch piece that I've cut and I'm just creasing it down the middle like this, and then I'm hot gluing onto the base here, and then I go in between and I put more glue in the center here, and then I just sort of bunch it a little bit to give it a little bit of crease look to it as I'm going around. And now I'm taking this package paper that comes in the mail when you order things, and I'm taking it and just cutting it in strips like this, and I'm twisting it into a rope like this, and just when I get it like this, I'm just going to work my way around the project. As you see, I've encircled it, and I'm going to just hot glue it around the center. And what I'm doing is I'm twisting and gluing at the same time because it will keep trying to untwist as you go. So what you do is you glue a little bit at a time, and then you twist and you stick. So you twist and stick, and then you do the next few inches with glue and you twist and stick again. Okay, so I'm twisting more of this brown packing paper. And by the way, you can make so many neat things out of this brown packing paper that comes in the mail. If you missed my videos below, I had one on making cowboy hat air fresheners out of the same paper, and you can paint them, make them any color you want, and they come out real nice. So if you want to learn how to do that, when you're done this video, there's a link below in the description box that you can learn how to make the cowboy hats. So for now, we're just going to keep twisting this, and then I'll show you how to insert it in the sides to make the wreath. Okay, so now I've applied the paper to make it look like a rope going around in a circle. Okay, so now you want to take and just put the glue on the plastic here on the side, and take and press it down and hold it to secure it to the edges. And then you're going to have to put another layer of glue in between the top layer of ribbon and the bottom to hold that. And I sure wish I would have remembered to use these protectors before I burnt my fingers. If you're interested in these, the link is below. And thanks to those who order through my links so that my channel can be supported through small commissions I make on those links. Okay, so now I'm creating this border around the entire thing by using these twisted papers, and I'll show you on the other side how to get started over here. You just want to take and the row that's underneath right here, poke it through, and take the other one and poke it through the hole next to it, and you flip over the entire thing like this. You tie it in a knot, and you double knot it once. Then when you get it double knotted, you pull it snug like this, and you want to have a little twisted X here on the front. So you want to kind of tighten up the paper the way you want it to lay, and then you want to apply hot glue right where it X's over here. You just kind of press it and hold it, till it dries. Okay, so you trim off the excess paper, and then you take the hot glue gun and you apply some glue on the inner part of the knot, and you just pull it snugly like this. Pull it snugly until the glue dries, and then you can flip it back over. And to put your next one in, you repeat the process. Okay, so next you want to put it through the next hole over, right? And then you want to put it through the big loop, and then cross it over into an X here in the front, and put it back through the same loop the other one was through, so that you have an X in the front like this. You want to flip it over, and you want to tie it again into a double knot, and repeat the process of trimming and gluing it to the plastic. Okay, so now when you have that done, you want to take and again glue where it X's on the front to hold it firmly in place like this. Just put a little blob of hot glue there, and then hold the two pieces together to form an X, and you just keep working your way around the circle like that until it's all encircled. Okay, so now that I have it all around in a circular fashion around the thing, I'm adding on this pretzel looking thing on the bottom and the top. So I'll show you how to apply it to the top like this, and then you want to hot glue these two parts first, and then hot glue it in the position that you want it to stay in each place that it meets to the other paper. Okay, so if you notice, because I had to go around the calendar page and it was kind of rectangular, it doesn't go with the round outside, and it kind of bothers me. So what I did was I twisted two pieces of this. I'm going to put one on the top and one on the bottom to try to make it look more rounded around the actual picture, and I'm going to hot glue that on there. Okay, so that helped a little, not as much as I would have wanted, but I'm going to try to fix it with other stuff. But in the meantime, I'm going to coat everything with this Mod Podge clear acrylic sealer. Okay, so what I'm doing now is I got these flowers from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just taking them off of the stem, and I'm trimming them down just any old kind of way to make it look like a different flower. And then I'm taking these glue dots, and I'll try to put the link below for this stuff, and I'm taking these glue dots, and I'm just applying a flower everywhere where there was that actual flower on the picture to give it a three-dimensional look. I'm just rubbing the glue dot on here, and then I'm taking this flower and just sticking it. Okay, so now that I have it covered with the flowers, I went to Hobby Lobby and I got this nice little welcome wooden plaque thing, and I'm going to apply this on here. I painted it a little bit of light tan to match the twine better, and I'm going to go ahead and adhere that onto there and just hang it up and enjoy it. And if you'd like to see upcoming videos, hit subscribe and hit the bell and you'll be notified. And thank you to all my subscribers. Check out my other videos below and have a great day.